Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can set up a stand in Roblox Please Donate for free. It's pretty simple. So open up your Roblox game and at the top you want to search for Please Donate. But I don't have to search for it because my Please Donate is right over here. But in your screen, if you don't see it over here, you need to search for it. So just click on this green button like which says play over here and a Roblox Please Donate will open up. So let's wait for some time until our Roblox Please Donate opens up so I can show you how you guys can set up a stand on it. So once the Roblox game opens up like this over here, what you need to do is go into a stand which is unclaimed. So all these things over here you see, that means the stand is claimed. So to find a stand that is unclaimed, you want to go in front of it and it's going to show you unclaimed. So just go in front of a stand which says unclaimed and press E. Once you press E, basically you will be claiming the stand just like this. Like this, I just claimed myself a stand in Roblox for free inside Please Donate. Now, if you guys are confused on how you guys can get this donate button over here, you just need to create yourself a game pass and make sure that the game pass is on for sale. And we have made a video on how you guys can create a game pass and make it available for sales. You guys can watch that in our channel one step to understand how you guys can create this pass. Because if I start teaching you how to create the pass, this video is going to be really long. But yeah, that's how you guys can claim a stand for free inside Roblox Please Donate. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.